Welcome to Tutorak Kids! Hi guys! Today I'm going to draw an umbrella. Please come and join me. Umbrellas keep us safe from the rain. It doesn't let us get wet. It stops the rain from coming onto us. And that's the handle. It's time to color it. Dark red. Light yellow. Light green. Light purple. Dark yellow. Light blue. Gray. Brown. Oh no! It sounds like it's going to rain. We better hide. Thank you for watching. See you next time.